All right, so today's the start of day 5. We're here in Petoskey, Michigan, and we have a 233-mile day, roughly 7 to 8 hours riding. We're going to hit up 3 lighthouses, and we're going to be riding along the coastline or the shoreline of Lake Michigan.
We're going to see the avenue of trees.
Yeah,
And make our way all the way down south. I mean, it should be a beautiful day. Today's probably the warmest day we've had all week, starting off in the morning. It's probably close to 70 degrees right now. Let's hope we don't get any rain today.
Yep. I think we're going to end up in the town of Ludington.
Yep, Ludington, and then we'll get up early tomorrow morning. I think our boat goes out. It's a steamship.
The Badger. It was a steamship.
Beautiful, clean coal.
Yes, it was a steamship made to get trains across the Lake Michigan back in the early 19th century. And it's the last coal-fired steamship in the northern hemisphere, is what I understand. Anyhow, we'll see you down the road. Later.
Peace out.
Stop, get a cup of coffee. How many miles do you think we did so far? Any idea?
About 150 or 180 maybe.
Been a good day.
Yeah, it's been a great day.
Maybe a dog coming up here. Looks like he's enjoying the ride. Nice. All right, let's get a cup of coffee.
Hey, how are you? Finally, look for a place to get a cup of coffee. It's really.
So, how long have we been on the road?
It's about 8 o'clock this morning. Right now it's about 3:40.
Okay, we're going on an 8-hour ride, off and on. A few coffee stops, lunch stop. We stopped in this little town here, found some nice gifts for the family. Having an iced coffee. It certainly is kind of a funny day in the sense of 1 minute it's very chilly with the cold weather off of the lake, and then the next thing you know, the sun comes out and it gets hot real quick. Not sure how many miles we did today. Why don't you talk while I look it up?
Figure it out for you. Come on.
No, I got it.
Yep. Well, thanks for this knife. It's really a pretty sharp-looking knife you got here.
Yeah, no, I bought it for myself.
Oh. It's for my brother. I thought he gave it to me. He was just showing it to me.
I did give it to you to look at.
It's very nice, Charles. I love it. It's got a motorcycle on it. Something neat that you'll be able to keep in your pocket.
So today, not bad. 208 miles so far.
So far.
And I think we have roughly 50 more miles to go. This is day 5 of the trip. Once again, tomorrow we're going to go taking the Badger Ferry over to Wisconsin's, and I think we're in for bad weather, so we may cut things short. We're not sure how we're going to do it, but so far the trip's been going well. What do you think, George?
Yeah, I think we're doing well. This small town of Manistee. It's got an old town feel. It's probably a hub for some sort of things going on back in the day. They must have a port or something like that. So pretty interesting. Old theaters down there. We're at the coffee shop right now. Enjoying a cup of coffee. Iced coffee.
Yep. All right. We'll talk to you guys later. We're out. We're here in what town are we in?
Ludington, Michigan.
Michigan. And we're about ready to board the SS Badger. We're going over to Manitoba, Wisconsin. It's going to be a 4-hour ferry ride with the motorcycles. Depending upon weather, we may go to the Aviation Museum, or we may just go directly to Milwaukee, the Harley, what's the Iron Horse Hotel.
The museum afterwards, potentially. Yeah, they're right next to each other.
Yep, and maybe hit the Harley Museum today instead of tomorrow. We were scheduled to do it tomorrow, so this is our first rainy day, but the first 4 hours of it, we're going to be on the ferry, so it's really a non-issue day so far.
Yeah, so far. I mean, even this morning, riding over here, it's just wet. It wasn't raining, so but we had our wet gear on just to be sure, just in case it did come down.
Yep, we're ready. We're prepared. We're ready.
Great trip. What is today? Day 5?
No, is it?
Day 6?
I think it's day 6 because we got 2 nights, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. No, it's day 5.
Day 5?
Yeah, because you got 2 in Milwaukee.
Yep.
1 in Detroit, or
Dearborn.
and 1 in Dearborn. So yeah, we have this is our 4th. We have 4 nights left, 5 days left. But the last day, George is heading south, and I'm heading east. So
It's going to be a great trip.
Ready? tie the bikes down. Look at this bike here. He said it was a 1971, right? He's got a lot of these bikes, right? It's definitely a cool bike. Looks like a lot of hours put into that thing. A lot of hours. All right, brother, you ready to go upstairs? Think we're looking good? I'm hot as hell. You're saying that you've known of this place for quite some time, and now it's you finally get to go see it.
Yeah, that's true. Every year, usually in August, they have the big air adventure. And at the air adventure, thousands of private pilots, experimental pilots fly their aircraft in here from all over the world. And they park in all the grass areas, and they get a chance to walk around and see all the different types of aircraft and see warbirds and everything else. So I think it's a worthy stop. I really feel very fortunate we had a chance to come up here. This is always up by Green Bay.
Yep.
Oshkosh, Wisconsin.
That's pretty neat. Wow.
we got today? Mileage. So far, this bike here has 9,874 miles, Charlie.
Nice.
That's my total miles. Yeah.
All right, well, we're gonna go get checked in, and it's been a long day with the ferry, and then going up to the Aviation Museum. That was quite incredible. Just unbelievable aircraft there. So really glad my brother picked that place, and we're here at the Iron Horse Hotel. We're probably not going to go anywhere because I think they have a restaurant right in here, and well, they got a little fire pits over there. They got something up there to sit and relax. So we'll talk to you guys in a bit.